Today in Beijing, we found a person carrying the H7N9 virus without showing any of the symptoms of the disease, which is important because the virus can manifest itself in different ways. Symptoms can be severe to not severe, but there might also be no symptoms at all.
To prevent villagers from panicking, we have provided information such as putting up posters that say how to prevent and control the spread of the disease. No one needs to panic. Continue living your everyday life. But if you want to buy poultry, it can no longer be live poultry.